digitization of material receipt and clearance at BHEL Bhopal. I am Pradeep Singh Baroya. I am senior engineer IT at BHEL Bhopal. I will be giving this presentation with Ms. Monika Agarwal. She is engineer IT at BHEL Bhopal. We both were part of the IT development team in this project. I will begin with the material cycle that is relevant in our perspective. In the perspective of BHEL as the manufacturing unit, the planning and budgeting part, then comes the tendering part, which includes e-procurement, reverse auction, vendor B2B, then the key area is ordering, receipt and clearance, and accounting of material. This is a complete cycle, and what we will focus here is the receipt and clearance. Why this is important? Because most of the times the focus is on tendering, ordering and accounting. These are the most highlighted areas, but what we felt and what was happening in our case was that in BHEL Bhopal, due to the slowness in receipt and clearance, there was a delay in the proper accounting of the material, and end of the day we were not getting the delivery schedules from the vendors, and so we smoothened this process, and along with it we also made sure that there is a close integration in the ordering and ordering to receipt and receipt to the accounting, and by the use of the IT we actually integrated a lot of independent systems, because there was for all the processes we had IT systems in place, but those systems were not talking to each other. So we basically in the receipt and clearance we integrated all those systems, and we had significant results. Need for digitalization in supply chain. As we know, in the current environment, supply chain is a key enabler for any organization, and digitization in supply chain is very critical. So at BHEL Bhopal, we were able to drastically reduce the time taken in material receipt and clearance. To give you a brief overview of the statistics, in BHEL Bhopal, we have a daily incoming of 100 to 120 vehicles per day. There are 40 plus material unloading locations. Approximately 30,000 goods receipt notes are generated annually, and this clearance process of the goods receipt note, it happens in more than 70 departments of quality, planning and stores before final processing by the finance. The initial legacy system that we were having had some basic issues. The problems we were facing were the management of large number of vehicles, inconvenience that was happening to our suppliers, transporters, drivers due to delay in the verification and entry of vehicles. Since the data was getting entered in lot of stages, there were inconsistent data for the tracking of vehicles that were entering the factory premises. There was manual printing of the weighing slips at weighbridge. So every time the vehicle was coming, the slips were being printed. They were then being supplied to the GRN generation section. So it was taking a lot of time, and there was delay in clearance of GRN due to hard copy movements and manual clearance. So after digitization, the benefits included stakeholders like a lot of people were benefited, especially the CSF personnel who are the security in charge in BHEL Bhopal premises. There was more accurate checking of the vehicles and the material that was entering. It was a relief to the suppliers, transporters, drivers. Then there was operational ease, as now we developed system for automated capturing of weight into the GRN data from weighbridge. There was quick and accurate generation of CN and GRN data And finally, the major bottleneck was removed. We now have online and paperless clearance of GRN. Then there was effective material procurement. We actually, after we received the material, we count those material into work orders. So there was faster and accurate booking of material against work orders. Regulated entry of material inside DHL premises in line with purchase order delivery schedule. Actually, we gave a screen to the CSF personnel where they would link the challan and the purchase order that are in those challans with the delivery schedule. If the delivery schedule was not in line with the data in our system, then those material required permission. So actually supplier can apply for online permissions. So that system was also developed. Inventory reduction by following the reorder level and just-in-time concept. Actually, what was happening was we were ordering the same materials over and over again. So the accounting part, because it was now closely linked, so that reorder was reordering of the same material. We could prevent that. And then availability and monitoring of data. Now we are able to track the vehicles entering through material gate. There is more data transparency, integrity. Location of each material is now actually when the vehicle enters and the CSF person enters the PO number of the material, we can actually we have linked with it the material location directly, and it is known in advance that where that material has to go. And now my colleague Monica will share with you the project milestones and the process flow.
I'll just quickly go through the project of digitization of MM. We had the 5 major milestones. First was the smooth entry and exit of the vehicles which are entering the BHL premises. Then automatic weight capturing of the material which is being brought up by the transporters. Then we had the changes in the online feeding system, so to make the data accurate. Then we have a development of a real-time online window for monitoring of material and vehicle entering the BHL premises to keep a track of all the activities going in the BHL premises. And then online clearance of CRNs, GRNs. That was the major module. Then process flow goes like this. Vehicle enters the gate number 9. A unique material identification is generated, and then through that gate pass is generated for the vehicle as well as the driver. This is the gate pass system. Then weighing and weighbridge is done electronically. No manual intervention is involved. Then through those data, GRN is created, and unloading and weight in and weight out. Both weights are captured. I'll just conclude. Weight are captured, the tear weight as well as gross weight are captured to get the weight of the material entering the BHL premises. Then we have the exit of the vehicle. Through the UMID itself, all the vehicles are governed. And then the online SRP clearance. SRP or basically GRN, goods receipt note. All the dashboards are made for the respective personnel of departments so that they can clear the GRNs online. So we have just digitized the whole material receipt ordering clearance system. In BHL Bhopal, it has led to a reduction of material consumption as well as material payment, easy vendor payments. So that was our case study of the digitization of MM by BHL Bhopal. Thank you.